अरे who's the CMO here? CMO कौन है रे? CMO कौन है? Who's the CMO? Where is the CMO? All of you, where is the CMO? Where is he? Call him. तू CMO? तुला उलोवपाक सारखे रीत आहे ना? आता प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयिल्लो इंजेक्शन मारपाक, यू कॅनॉट गाईड हिम प्रॉपरली. You learn to control your tongue. You're a doctor. Don't force me to act. Put your hands out first when you're standing in front of me. I generally don't lose my cool. But you have to behave yourself. However much you're loaded, you will talk properly to the patient. And guide the patient. Urban health center and चल, हांगा चल म्हण. तू कित्याक रावला हांगा मागीर? कित्या खातीर जॉब घेता गव्हर्मेंटान? उलोवपाक रीत आसूंक जाय तुका. तूं डॉक्टर तूं. मास्क काड पयली, म्हाका तोंड पळोवंक जाय तुजें. सांबाळून एका सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काडा and kick him out from here. These doctors don't understand unless you understand you're here to serve humanity. You're not here with your bloody ego. I am telling you what I'm saying. You're not authorized to speak when I'm speaking. You please go. दूसरा CMO gala, I'll issue the note for suspension. You get out from here. That's it. Out from here. And don't report back because as long as I'm in me, not in you. You're a doctor to serve the poor people here. I am suspending you. When the inquiry is initiated, you give your explanation. Eka suspension, I want him relieved right now from here. Ask him to get out from here. भाषा हांव वापरता एकदम नरम. And German, I am telling you, you listen. Go home. Go home. You can go home. They let the residents and senior residents. You go home. I am telling you to go home. अरे I am telling you to go home. एका घरा वचून ती नाल्यार सिक्युरिटी धरून भायर मारता तुका. एका भायर काड हांगाच्या. As the MS, you please see that he is not here on duty today. Send him home just now. You just understand one thing. You're dealing with me. I am telling you, first learn to shut up when I'm talking to you. You can be anything. You want to file a case, go and file a case. But I am telling you, you're suspended from right now. And you go when the investigation starts, you give your explanation. That time I will consider whether I want to take you back or not. Other next 2 years, you'll be suspended and you'll remain as long as my tenure is. Poor people are to be served. I am asking, telling you only this thing, that poor people are to be served. I don't want to listen to you. When I make up my mind, I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen. I am suspending you from this moment. Go home before my blood pressure boils and I take some other action on you. You will not be. There's always pressure on the system that people want point of care to be excellent. People want systems. And I've been health minister for the last 13, 14 years. I've always seen and transformed the health sector in the state of Goa. And there was a press reporter who called me saying that his mother-in-law is not being given a particular injection because she was in a lot of pain. So unfortunately, a 77-year-old, and generally I am very particular about discipline. That outburst, I've already put it on my social media that it was inappropriate. I have no ego. I may have hurt his sentiments, but unfortunately that provoked me the other day that a 77-year-old lady, ultimately I'm here to serve the poor people. I'm here to serve the people of the state of Goa and accountable to the people. I have always worked to see that the people don't go through the pain that I am going through with my mother suffering from cancer, basically being treated by the doctors from the health service and saved her life also on a couple of occasions from the doctors of the health services. I do agree that it was not appropriate in terms of the way I reacted at that moment. I could have called him and had a word with the doctor separately. But it just happened, this video went viral. And I apologize to the doctor fraternity if I've hurt their sentiments, but discipline is something that needs to be maintained in the government hospital. I would like to apologize once again to the doctor and his family if I have hurt his sentiment. I have not even issued the process of suspension of the doctor. That was never going to be in my mind. So when the chief minister called me up, there was never question about me. I immediately told him that there's no file or anything moved in this direction. And so it's fine with me, whatever statement being made. And I have already apologized to the medical fraternity if it has hurt their feelings.